Hello guys, welcome and welcome back. My name is Somto. Today we are going to be making Ofaku. Guys, I'm super excited about this video today because you do not have to worry about palm fruits at all. So stay tuned for the surprise. For ingredients, you're going to need cow beef. I have dry fish, onions, pepper, seasoning cube, ogiliope, and some banga spices. You also need some crayfish, and here I'm using ogu leaves. You can also use scent leaf if that's what you have. So are you ready for the surprise? This is a surprise, you guys. This is what we are going to be using. Instead of the fresh one, we're going to be using this concentrate. You can get it at any African food store. And I also have salt to taste. So I'm going to transfer my beef into a size of a big enough pot. To that, I'm going to add seasoning cube. I'm going to add a little bit of thyme and then a lot of chopped onions. Then I'm going to place that on the heat and start the cooking. I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I did this till the meat no longer pink in color. Then I covered it and cooked for 7 minutes so that it releases its own juice. After 7 minutes, this is what my meat is looking like. As you can see, all the water that I've gotten. Then I'm going to give that a quick stir, add more water, cover it again, and allow the beef to cook through. So about 12 minutes later, I opened it. This is what my pot is looking like right now. I'm going to check to see if the meat is cooked, and it was cooked. Then I'm going to take it off the heat, separate the meat from the stock because we're going to start cooking with the stock first. After taking the meat out of the stock, I'm going to go ahead and fry this beef. For banga stew, you want for ufaku, you want your beef, your obstacles to be like smoked or fried, but you don't want to leave your beef like that. It's better to have it smoked or fried.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing.
Fry until it is golden brown or slightly browned, depending on whichever way you like it. I like mine slightly brown, not too brown, golden. Then I'm going to take that off the heat. That I'm done frying the beef, I'm going to move ahead to making my concentrate. There, this is the banga concentrate I'm using. As I said, you can get it at any African food store. I opened it. Now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. Transfer everything into a bowl. Then you want to go ahead and rinse the container with hot water. Not too hot water that is hot enough for you to be able to put your hand in it, but not cold water. Don't do this with cold water, guys, because this is oil. If you do it with cold water, trust me, you won't like the outcome. So make sure to use hot water or even warm water, but just hot water, hot enough for you to put your hand in it. I'm going to stir this to mix and also to break all the lumps that is inside, just like this. Then I'm going to sieve this with a very fine sieve. I'm going to sieve it with a very fine. While sieving, you want to watch out for the and look at that dirt underneath it. You want to watch out for that. You don't want to pour it inside, and that is what we are trying to get rid of, guys. That thing it sounds like stone once it enters your teeth when you're eating your rice. Trust me, the feeling is not good at all. So just be careful with this. I did this for about 2 times. I carefully did this for 2 times, and then I was ready to go. Now, after twice of doing that, I'm going to pour the concentrate into my meat. Again, looking out for the underneath because that thing keeps coming up. I don't know why. It keeps being there. Just if you take a good look, you will see the look at it. Look at it. You see the dirt. Then I'm going to pour that away. Place the one I'm going to be using
They
on
told you what to
a
chase,
boiling
told you how
heat.
to run the
Then
race.
I'm going to add
Every
in
move was
chopped
on the
onion.
page,
I'm going
but
to
I didn't
cover
like
this
their
and
way.
allow it to cook
Had to
for
fight and
about 10 to
misbehave,
11
had to
minutes.
find a way to
After 10 to
change.
11
Had to
minutes,
leave
I
and
can
find my
see that
way.
it's ready because the
Caught up in
oil
a
is now
daydream, I beat my mind up
floating.
there almost daily. It's how I
I'm
pass
going to
time, no
give this
opinions
a bit
safely. It's how I
stir.
understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
I'm going to add my blended pepper, crayfish, and oglio bay mix. Stir gently. I did cover that and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add my dry fish and some of that my banga spice. Then I go in with my seasoning cube. I'm adding seasoning cube last because I use seasoning cube to cook the meat, and remember the meat stock is the base of this cube. After that, I'm going to give it a big stir, then cover it and allow it to cook for like 7 more minutes. And after 7 minutes, this is what my stew is looking like, guys. The aroma is just everything, guys. Now I'm going to add my already fried meat. After adding it, I'm going to give it a gentle stir and then I'm going to taste for salt. If you need to adjust salt, do it at this moment. Mine needed a little salt, so I add. Stir on it very gently, cover and allow to simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, my stew is basically ready, but I'm going to now go ahead and add my vegetable. I'm using ugu leaf, that pumpkin leaf, but you can use scent leaf if that is what you have. Some people even use uziza leaf there. Then after adding the vegetable, I'm going to stir on this. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is to give it a good cover it and let it simmer for about 1.5 minutes
Grew up
or
in a
2 minutes
place where they
because
told
I
you
do
what
not
to
want the
chase,
vegetable to
told you how to
wither.
run the race.
So
Every move was on the page,
after that,
but I
I'm
didn't like their
going
way.
to
Had to
open
fight and
this,
misbehave, had to
guys.
find a way
Look
to
at this
change.
miracle
Had to
that
leave to
just
find my
happened right
way.
here. Then I'm going to
Caught up
stir
in a
on
daydream, I
this.
beat my mind up there almost
And
daily. It's how
my
I pass time, no
offer
opinions
is
safely. It's how I
ready
understand what
with
I
no
want in this
stress.
place, see. Cause
Guys,
everybody
I
wanna
love
tell you
you all
bad
so
things. What
much.
could go
Thank you
wrong?
so
What
much for
fame brings,
hanging
but
out with me
success
today.
is a finicky thing. And if
See
you
you
ain't sure,
guys
no, it'll
in
never
my
be.
next video. Bye bye. I love you.